And here's your living area, the massive living area, the spacious. This is your spacious kitchen area. So this is the most spacious room in your house and you can check out. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we are here at Crescent by Candor Developers and Builders, which is located at Lingampally, Hyderabad. And today we'll be doing the 3 BHK actual flat tour. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel and these are the towers. So once you have a look at the towers, you can just notice that the project is almost completed and they are giving possession by the end of this year itself. So if you are the one who is looking for nearly possession, then this project suits you perfectly. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which can result you in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and the project land parcel is being constructed on total 5.5 acres of land parcel consisting of total 5 towers. Each tower of 4 basement ground plus 50 floors, having 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies in this project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like 62,000 square feet of clubhouse, amphitheater, turf, table tennis, kids play area, swimming pool, half basketball court and many more amenities. Now about the location part, and this project is exactly located beside St. Maria International School in Lingampally, Hyderabad. And let me show you the connectivity and neighborhood of the project. So this site you can connect towards Gachibowli and this road will take you towards Chandanagar. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Lingampally railway station in 2 minutes, Gachibowli in just 10 minutes. DLF is also 10 minutes away, and even you can connect to ORR in 10 minutes from the project. Even Sharad City Mall is within 10 minutes from the project. Now this is your 3 BHK actual flat of 2567 square feet super built up area, and this is the main entrance of your beautiful house. So let's enter towards your beautiful house. So once you enter, you can check out how spacious this house is. And here's your living area, the massive living area, the spacious one with a TV unit space. And your dining area is right here. So you can set your dining table, which has a connecting balcony. And you can check out the balcony with again beautiful view, anti-skid flooring, that is wooden finishing flooring. This balcony will be 3 side covered with iron railing. Now let's check out the rest of the house. So once you move in, this side comes your kitchen area. And your kitchen area starts from here. So this is your spacious kitchen area where you can set your cabinets, your platform, add up your platform over here. It has a utility attached with anti-skid flooring, and here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now let's move further towards your bedroom areas. So your 1 bedroom is right next to me and your other bedrooms is just behind me. So we'll be moving further towards your bedroom number 1. And this is your bedroom number 1. Once you move in, you can check out how spacious this bedroom is. And the plus point is this balcony. They have provided a attached balcony over here with beautiful scenic view of the city. And you can check out the view from here. How beautiful your Hyderabad is. With anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing. Now let's move further. So with this bedroom, they have even provided attached washroom as well, and this the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2, so which is just in front of this bedroom. And here's your bedroom number 2. Almost it's a replica of bedroom number 1, you can check out. Here's the space, much more spacious with a bed space. You can add up your bed over here. In front is the TV unit space that they have provided. And with attached balcony again. The same beautiful view of our Hyderabad. Even with this bedroom, they are providing the attached washroom. So here's your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool with such actual flat and samples like videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now let's move further towards your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is on the other side of the house. So you need to take a walk from your living and the dining area, and right here is your master bedroom. So this is the most spacious room in your house, and you can check out the space over here. With a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's your walk-in wardrobe, the best part of this room. Walk-in wardrobe over here and with attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now this was all about your 3 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Lingampalli location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.